In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange a button on your Squarespace website with ease. Whether you're looking to optimize your site's design or simply want to shift things around, moving elements like buttons can make a big difference in user experience and functionality. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with the dashboard, think of it as your central hub where you can access all the tools and settings to manage your website. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with a list of your websites if you have multiple. Find the specific website where you want to move the button. This step is crucial as each site will have its unique content and settings. Once you've identified the correct website, click on it to bring up the dashboard specific to that site. Next, look for the Pages option. This is typically located in the main navigation menu on the left. By clicking on Pages, you're gaining access to a list of all the different pages that make up your website. It's like peering behind the curtain to see how everything is organized. From this list, select the page that you want to work on. The page where the button you wish to move is located. Once you've selected the page, proceed by clicking Edit in the top left corner. This action takes you into the editing mode, allowing you to make modifications to the content and layout of that specific page. Now, with the page in editing mode, locate the button. With Squarespace's intuitive interface, it's simply a matter of clicking and holding the mouse button on the button you want to move. Once you've got it selected, you can drag and drop it to the new location on the page. It's a smooth process, almost like arranging furniture in a room to get the layout just right. If at any point you're uncertain about where you're moving the button, take a moment to step back and imagine how the new position will look from a user's perspective. Moving a button higher might make a call to action more visible, while relocating it lower could streamline the flow of your content. Once you're satisfied with the new placement, it's time to save your changes. You'll find the Save option in the top left, just like where you found Edit earlier. Clicking Save is crucial as it ensures all your adjustments are securely stored and reflected on the live website. There's a sense of satisfaction that comes with seeing your changes begin to take effect, knowing you've just enhanced your website's design. That's it! You've successfully moved a button on your Squarespace site. Whether for aesthetics or improved functionality, moving elements around can greatly impact how visitors interact with your site. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more features to fine-tune your site even further.